Hello and welcome back to all of you, my subscribers, likers, sharers, and commenters. This is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. Guys, you all must be wondering, when am I going to be done with this Ruins to Roots series? Well, guess what? I am almost at the finish line, and that is why I am super excited about today's video, because I am going to be upgrading this in-ground garden bed, replacing it with something else. So come along with me and let's do this together. So, as a part of my Ruins to Roots project, I have been moving around so many things in this garden, including this old bed frame right here that I had in my food and fruit forest. It is now in my herb and vegetable garden. So, I am just going to be sprucing up a little thing or two in this area. First, by removing these blocks. And then I'm going to be taking out the lattice, and then I'm going to be taking out the soil, and I will just do whatever I have to do to make this transformation a great and beautiful one. So guys, even though this is a very time-consuming project, I am willing to make the extra effort to transform this area into a beautiful and productive space. And always remember this, guys, that every garden has the potential to flourish. That is why I'm doing what I'm doing right now. So, if you are planning to start a garden, start small, be patient, and enjoy the process. I mean, there were some days when I actually felt like giving up, but thanks to my loyal supporters, oh gosh, just keeps cheering me on. Guys, I appreciate you so much. And even if you already have a garden, the same goes for you. And plant your garden to reflect your personality and style. And don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now, let me say this to you guys. My garden is not only a place to sow and grow, okay? But it is also a place where I offer a variety of ideas that you can utilize to start or to spruce up your garden space. Now, I personally love to use bright colors in the garden that can positively impact my mood and my mental activity. So remember to add colors either with flowers or other things that you use in your garden, like my beautiful yellow containers behind me right there, and the white ones right there. Yes, they bring me so much joy whenever I am out in the garden, just looking at the colors. No matter how you are feeling, when you see a pop of bright color, it just does something to your mentality. Yeah, it does. So guys, always remember to add some colors in your garden. All right, so I am going to hurry along now and get this soil out of the way so I can start reclaiming the space and putting in my baskets. Oh my gosh, how the heck am I going to arrange them now? But I am not worried, because whenever the time comes, guys, I know that my thinking cap is going to be ticking. So let's get physical. No, it's physical. Never mind me, guys. Just let's get to work and finish this. And aren't you eager to see what the finished look is going to be like? I am very eager. So let me just finish this now and come back and show you. Well, look like with nothing in it. Empty. Everything gone. No food. No roots. Not even runes. Nothing's going to be in it. All right. So I am now removing these lattice right here. I will be taking out a few little carrots and some other stuff I had there. Well, I already took them out. And I also found some ginger while taking out the soil, guys. And this soil that I am taking out now, it is actually the cocoa coir, I believe, mixed with kitchen scraps. That means this soil it is going to be excelente for whatever plants that's going to be planted in them. Okay, or am I taking out the native soil? No, I think I already took out the native soil that was in the block pockets. Yeah. All right, so now I'm separating the soil. So oh my gosh, I think that was actually the native soil, some of the native soil that I'm putting in the wheelbarrow. Yes, I have to separate them. And then the coco coir will actually go in another container that I have somewhere. All right, so I am going to do what I have to do now, guys, and then show you, as I said, what the area is going to look like when it is empty. So here it is, here it is, here it is. There is no bed frame, no mattress, no sheets, no pillars, no covers, nothing. It's empty, it's blank, it's vague. Nothing is in there. But before I put whatever I'm gonna put in there, guys, there's a little insitini thing that I have to do. So don't go anywhere. We are gonna be doing another little project together, okay? Do you all remember these baskets right here that I had on my deck and I said that was only a temporary location for it? Well, approximately 23 days ago, I sowed some pepper seeds in there. And today, I am going to be taking out some of those seedlings because every time I move these and the other ones over there is always something creepy and crawly coming from underneath there, especially those white crooked lizards. So I am going to be transplanting my little seedlings, just in case one of those little lizards decide to crawl out on me and I want to throw away the baskets. I won't throw away my pepper seedlings. All right, so let's get transplanting right now. Guys, excuse me for being a little bit overprotective, trying to protect my babies from those creepy, crawly predators. But isn't that what a mother is supposed to do to her babies? So the baskets are now gone, and in this area I have pallets and pots and a stand awaiting their next candidates. Oh God, I just love this. But sadly, guys, I have to end today's video here, unfortunately. Yeah, unfortunately. I think I have done enough for today. So I guess I will see you guys in another video. Thanks a lot for coming, and see you soon by the grace of God. Bye-bye.